of humidity or rain, you want to use the defroster. The defroster blows warm air. When you start up your car, there's coolant going through the motor. You have a heater core. It's like an aluminum coil. The antifreeze goes through that. There's a fan that blows hot air, blows air. And when the core heats up, you have warm air. That's how your car is warm. You just don't push the button and there are little people in there rubbing sticks together. No. So you got to let your car warm up a few minutes. So many of you are going to drive to school in the morning. You can't just push a button and go because your windows are full of frost. You're going to have to scrape the windows. But many of you don't have a scraper. You're not going to want to do that. You also need some windshield washer solvent. This costs $4.99, $5.99, $6.99. It is toxic. You don't want to drink this. You don't want to have it around your brother, sister, or animals. You need about a gallon of this.